Have you seen the popular YouTuber MrBeast before? Well, if you haven't seen his videos at the end, there is the explosion, even if in his React channel or his gaming one. That's when I got the idea to create him a different explosion. An explosion he can use in his videos, probably in his gaming videos. First to try was Minecraft. Let's say, it didn't go too well. I think I know where to find better. Roblox Bed Wars. It was time for my plan. First block. First smoke grenade. Now TNT. Will MrBeast use this in one office videos? Time will tell.